In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent, I am Dr. Sattar from Pakistan city Lahore. Today I am in the field. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Sattar Rajput. PPR or Pastidecipitatus ruminant. Today is the case, especially in goat. The causative agent of this PPR, the causative agent of PPR is morbillivirus, belong to the Paramyxoviridae family. The morbidity is 100% in goat, and case fatality in goat is 55, and it can reach up to 90%. The entry of the virus is via the inhalation, penetration to the retropharyngeal lymph node, and there is proliferation and multiplication of this virus, causing the viremia. And the system involved in PPR are mainly alimentary canal and the respiratory tract. In this book you are looking the acute form of PPR in goat. The incubation period of this PPR is 3 to 6 days. High rise of body temperature 105 Fahrenheit, anorexia, dullness, depression. Respiratory signs are sneezing, cirrhosis, nasal and ocular discharge. After 1 to 2 days, there is necrotic lesion which are developed in the mouth and extend over entire oral mucosa. Lesions are just like diphtheric false membrane formation, narrowing of the oral cavity. There are also called diphtheric plaque lesions. There is halitosis, I mean bad smell from the mouth when we open oral cavity. Stomatitis, due to this unable to eat because of sore mouth with swollen lips. Nasal and ocular discharge, mucopurulent, which is discharge is viscous, and the exudative dry up, causing the closing of eyelid called blepharospasm, partially occluding eyes and nares. After 3 to 4 days of fever, there is diarrhea, which is mucoid, bloody tinged and profuse. This diarrhea causes death of the animal. In this black book, the signs are very visible. Eyes are involved, respiratory, nasal, and the mouth. There is stomatitis in the mouth. Respiratory signs, for example, coughing, dyspnea. There is secondary bacterial infection, especially postural losses, and then there is pneumonia, development, erosions in vulva and the prepuce, and if there is no treatment, death can occur in 1 to 2 weeks. Secondary bacterial infection, especially clostridiums, and the secondary bacterial infection, especially clostridiums and the coccidia, make the condition of the animal more severe. When there is involvement of lungs, the lungs alveoli are filled with serous fluid, causing difficulty in breathing. The subacute form of PPR is formed in sheep. This is especially reported in sheep. Subacute form. The acute form is present in goat. Now the treatment of the animals. There is no proper treatment because this is a viral disease and infectious. There should be vaccination schedules against this disease before coming of severe condition. When there is PPR, we provide supportive treatment. Antibiotics, especially streptomycin 50 mg per kg body of weight, gentamicin 2.2 to 6.6 mg per kg body of weight, or enrofloxacin 2.5 mg per kg body of weight. Antidiarrheal drugs, especially choline, are given. Deworming in case of parasites should be done. First is the restoration of hydration status, and second, opening of respiratory passage. We should especially consider the transmission of this disease is via the inhalation routes. Direct contact, all body secretions and excretions. There is, we should wash the mouth, the nariz, and if there is blepharospasm, I mean closing of eyelids of the eyes, we should wash with very dilute antiseptic solution, especially boric acid. So dear viewers, if you like this video, if there is informative for you, kindly subscribe my channel and share it, and kindly comments me in the comments box.